So this is an assignment operation. We are going to solve it. So the first step, given such a table, what you do, you will come do a row operation, and a row operation the row operation, you'll go along each row looking for the least value, which is 130, and subtract each value by 130. So in row A, you will find 160 minus 130, 30, 130 minus 130 is 0, and you'll do the same here to find this value. Then come to the next row, look for the least value, subtract each, and you find these values. Column operation, which is a continuation of a row operation, you'll go column wise looking for the least value, and if it has zeros along it, leave it. So like here, for me to find this value, I'll use the row operation. Like column 1, we leave it has 0. Column 2, leave it has 0. But with column 3, the least value is 10. So subtract 10 from along this column to find this value. And here you will find the least value, subtract to find these values. After doing so, come and cancel the number where maximum number of 0 lies. For example, here, in column 2, we have maximum 0. So we will cancel it. Then you realize row B and D has zeros, so cancel it. After cancelling it, you'll come look for the value that is not along the line, that is least. So here the least value is 15. I've only circled this 15 because it is one of the 15, but nothing special. So with this 15, you will subtract each column and row by 15, but if that value is along this line, you leave it. But again, if that value is on this junction, you add it by 15. For example, let me take you for this one, you'll take 30 minus this 15 to give you 15. But since this 0 is along this line, you don't touch it. This 35 minus 15 will give you 20. Like, okay, 30 minus 15 will give you 15, but 15 minus 15 will give you 0. And since this row is along this line, you don't touch it, you leave it here, except for this, which is at the junction here. So because it is at the junction, you will add 15 here. You'll do the same with the rest. So after doing so, this is where you'll come and do your assignment. So you look, when assigning, you look for a 0. You take 1 0 and look along its row and column if the other 0. If you find that 0 has minimum number of 0, you will take it. So what do I mean? Here. Like if you come here, you'll realize this one has this 0 and this 0. In column B, this 0, here I have 0, but here we don't have. So take, and D, here we have 0s along here, but we don't have here. D, we only have this one 0. E, when you take this 0, there are more zeros here, and there are more zeros. So take the 0 that is least. So for example, if you take D, you cancel this because it is along here, and here, since here we don't have 0, you'll just take this D. You come to B, because B it also have 1 0 here, but has no more zeros here. So take this 0, cancel this. Then come at C, you'll realize there's only these 2 zeros. So take this 1 0, cancel this. We are remaining with E. When you come to E, I'll take this first 0, cancel this. And this will be the remaining 0, so take it. Once you've done so, you see these boxes containing these zeros. This is where you'll do the assignment. For example, in A is at this column. So you'll come, column A, 0 is, you substitute it by 200. So you say A is equals to 200. B, it's here. So for B, you'll take 130. For C, 110. For D, will be 50. And for E, will be 80. That is why I've done this. And when you sum it, you'll find your value as 170. This is now your assignment. Thank you.